In the previous video, we came to know that in trigonometry, angles may be positive, may be negative according to the nature of the rotation of the initial row. If the initial ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction, then the angles traced will be positive, and vice versa. If the initial ray rotates in clockwise direction, the angle traced will be negative. Now we will further discuss about the angle. Angle itself is a physical quantity. Now there are three types of systems in which angles are defined. One is sexagesimal system, I have written here sexagesimal system. Another is circular system. These two systems are given in our syllabus. And the third system is French system, which is also called centesimal system. That system is abolished nowadays. That's why we will discuss only these two systems, sexagesimal system and circular system. Now what is sexagesimal system? So it is a system in which angle is defined, and in this system the unit of angle is degree. In previous classes we have the knowledge about 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree etc. We use the word degree. What is the meaning of degree? Degree is the unit here. In which system? Sexagesimal system. Now we are going to have some idea, some knowledge about new system, and that system is called your circular system. In the circular system also we are going to measure angles, but the unit here used is radian. And what is the symbol of radian? C, small c. We can write 2 radian, we can write 30 radian, we can write 1 radian, so on. So in this video we are going to have knowledge about sexagesimal system and circular system. Now I will elaborate you sexagesimal system. In the sexagesimal system we all know the unit of the angle is degree. I have written here degree. Now what is the meaning of 1 degree? 1 degree is a very small part of the angle. It is further divided into 60 parts, and each part is called minute. It means 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Now in mathematics, 1 minute is a very small magnitude of an angle, but the scientist, the mathematician, divides 1 minute also into 60 equal parts, and each part is called second. It means in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. From these two relation, 1 degree equal to 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Now in mathematics, right angle. What is the meaning of right angle? Right angle. I am using right angle. If a straight line, this is a straight line, it stands on another straight line. If AB is a straight line here and OC stands on it. OC stands on it. How OC stands on it? From either side the inclination is same. From left hand side and from the right hand side, both have the same inclination. From here if the angle is theta, and from this side also the angle is theta. Such angles are called right angle triangle. Now one right angle equal to how much? 90 degree. We all know one right angle equal to 90 degree in sexagesimal system. Now we will discuss about circular system. Circular system, the unit is radian. I have already told you the unit is radian. Now one right angle in circular system equal to pi radian by 2. One right angle in the circular system will be given by pi radian by 2, and one right angle in the sexagesimal system is 90 degree. Therefore we can conclude pi radian by 2 equal to 90 degree, or we can write pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation by which we can change radian into degree, degree into radian. For example, let us suppose it is given 30 degree. In which system it is present? It is present in sexagesimal system. We have to convert into circular system.